What's up, everybody? Just making a quick video. Got a 2021 Charger ScatPack F8 green. Just did a muffler delete on it, and it's still got the stock resonators on the back. Obviously, you guys all seen an inside of a Charger before, so this one's got 40,000 miles on it. But include some clips here in a second. Shows what the mid muffler delete the stock resonator sounds like. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I just had mid mufflers deleted on this, and it's still got the stock resonators in the back. Do a quick cold start real quick for it. Here's another little quick video of mid-muffler delete with stock resonators with the windows down. Do 0 to 60. Definitely sounds pretty good with the windows down, I can tell you that. Alright, now with the windows up on a mid-muffler delete, stock resonators in the back. Definitely quiet with the windows up. There's really not a whole lot of drone when you're driving down the highway. I mean, I'm doing 70 right now, and it sounds like a stock exhaust right now, so definitely recommend doing the mid muffler delete for sure.